Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to run any Python script from command line or terminal. So this method is the universal method for all the three major OS, that is Linux, Windows and Mac. So let's see that how you can run any Python script via command line or the terminal. Over here, we have two ways to run any Python script from command line or from the terminal. These two ways are as follows. One is you need to run Python shell, and within Python shell, we have another two ways to execute any Python script. One is either you import that script and execute it, or another way is you need to run exec, that is execute command, and read that particular script, and then you can execute it as a whole. Another way is you can directly run that particular script from the terminal, from the command line. For that, you just need to write Python space that script name, and that's it. You will be able to run that particular Python script. So let's see it in practical that how you can run the Python script through these two different ways. Over here, you can see that I have created two different scripts. The two different scripts are hello world and time now. Here, hello world script contains only print statement, print hello world. So this is just a single line statement, print hello world in hello world.py script. And time now script contains date time function. So it will return current date time when executed via datetime module. So let's run this script through the terminal. Make sure you open the terminal or the command line from the folder where all the required Python scripts are residing, such that whatever Python script you want to run, make sure that you open the terminal or command line from that particular folder where that particular Python script resides. So over here, I want to run this hello world.py and timenow.py Python scripts. Hence, right now these two scripts are in my scripts folder. So I have started this terminal from this scripts folder. So now let's see these two ways to run this Python scripts. One is to start the Python shell. So I will start the Python shell by writing this Python command. Now you can see that right now I am in the Python shell. My Python version is 3.7.3, and as I am in the scripts directory where my all the required Python scripts to be executed resides. So first of all, I will make sure that I am in the correct directory. So for that, I need to import OS module, then os.get current working directory. Okay, so as you can see that right now I am in the directory from where I want to run my Python scripts. Okay, so now as I mentioned again, from Python shell we have two different ways to execute any Python script. So first of all, we will see the first way. First way is import that particular script. So import hello world. So you can see that it has executed that hello world script and return us the hello world statement. So over here, import hello world. So hello world is my script name, hello world.py, and I am importing it. So as in this script name, I have only single statement print hello world. Hence, this import statement has executed that print statement. Now let's import another script. Import time now. Okay, so here it will not do anything right now because you can see over here, sorry, we have defined get time function over here. So what we need to do is We have two ways over here, like time now dot I have defined function get time. So you can execute this particular function get time in this way. Like first you need to import the script, and by using that script dot that function name. So like my script name is time now dot py. So I will import that script, import time now, and then time now dot get time. So get time is my function name. So this way I can execute that particular function from that particular script. Another way is from time now import get time. Okay, and now I can directly use this get time function without that time now module. So you can see that over here, first I have imported time now script and then time now dot get time function. In this way, earlier I have executed the function. And in the second way, what I have done is from time now, I have imported that particular function and then I have used that function directly without time now module. So means without appending time now module. So I have used directly get time function. Okay, now within Python shell we will get the another way, we will see the another way that how we can execute Python script. So for that we need to use this command exec, that is execute. Then we need to open that particular script. So let's say hello world. It will be in the read mode and then read. So you can see that it has executed that particular script. Now if I want to execute time now script, time underscore now, and you can see that it has executed time now script as well. So just want to make sure one thing, that right now please ignore this if underscore name underscore equal to underscore main underscore. We will see the uses of this particular lines in coming few sessions, but right now you just concentrate on how to execute any Python script from command line. So again, if you don't want to use this particular lines, you can also do something like this: get time. Okay, and now let's execute again the same command. Okay, so you can see that it has executed that particular script and provided us current time. Also, we can do something like this as well: get time, get time. Okay, uh, if we are going to use like this, import time now and again time now dot get time. So by changing those lines, there is no effect, there is no changes in the execution. So right now just concentrate that how you can run any Python script from the terminal. Okay, so here we have completed the first method, that is to run any Python script from Python shell uh, by again two methods. One is either importing the script or another way is using the execute command. Now another way is to run Python script via Python command. So what I will do is I will write Python, then the script that I want to execute. So let's say I want to execute hello world, and yes, you can see that it has executed that particular script. Again, let's say if I want to execute time now. Okay, so it has executed time now script as well and provided us with the current date time. So this is how you can run any Python script from command line or terminal via two ways. One is from Python shell, another way is from the terminal itself. Again, from Python shell, you have two ways. Either you import that script or that function and execute it, or you use the exec execute command and run the Python script. So these are the different ways to run Python script from the terminal or the command line. So that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.